Why buy a powered seat conversion kit for a Silverado or Ram? Two reasons: safety, comfort. For all the tall folks, the powered seat track will lower you by about a little less than 1.5 inches. For the shorter people, the powered seat track will raise you up close to 3 inches compared to the manual track. If you are not in the proper driving position and not comfortable, driving your work truck can be a hazard. Using 2019 and up Silverado's driver's seats, one manual and one powered, we are demonstrating the differences in heights. And here are the height differences. Our manual driver's seat, and it's 1.25. We matched the powered side, 1.25 inch. Now we're going to lower the powered driver's side to its lowest position and see how many inches it is. And it looks like it lowered about 1.25 inches more than the manual seat. So you taller people will be in a safer, more convenient driving position. For you shorter people, as you can see, the powered track will raise you up about 3 inches for a safer and more comfortable driving position. And remember what they say, if you can't see over the hood, that ain't no good. And for more information, visit our website, oemseats.com, or call 321-324-4450.